Hello and welcome to Barista. My name's Marco and this is a short little video today for the prize draw for August. And what it is, we have a customer gallery where you can submit photos of your coffee machine, grinder, coffee roaster, and you get entered into the prize draw. So without no further ado, let's pick out the winner. We had 5 entries for August. And it is Nicholas from Woodbridge. Well done, Nicholas. The prize for August is the Espazzola cleaning tool. It's become a firm favourite here at the Barista showroom and roastery, and really easy to use, really fast and simple. So it might be good to give a quick demo on the new R9 coffee machine. And essentially, you pop it in, run the brew group water through. As that's running through, give it a little bit of a waggle, and it gets that shower screen in the group really nice and clean. It's also got a nice little feature, these spikes here, where you can obviously put them up to the steam tip hole and give the steam tip a little bit of a clean as well. So yeah, well done, Nicholas, that's on its way to you. And also, you've obviously seen the R9 one. We're going to be doing a close look video review of this soon, so check back later to see that as well.